Hi, welcome to Easy Thai Dish by Many Ways channel. When you run out of the ideas, you can do this one. I'm gonna do Thai omelets. I'm gonna put ground pork and Thai chilies in it. It's my lazy dish. So let me put my apron. Apron is ready. So let's do it. Beat the eggs, the more the better. The more you do, the fluffier the eggs, the omelette gonna be. Add lime juice, fish sauce, oyster sauce, ground pepper. I like to use white pepper, but you can use black pepper. Thai chilies, ground pork, lots of oil. It's better to use a wok than a pan. The oil has to be really hot. Tasting if the oil is hot enough. The oil has to be really hot, so it's gonna be fluffy and easy to flip, and the shape is gonna be more round. Unfortunately, my stove is not that hot, but well, it's good enough. Flip. Yay, my lazy dish is done. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.